Happy Thanksgiving! Garlic onion beef chops. Welcome to my King Suite. So this is how it's gonna look. It's been 30 minutes. Final dip. So I have 3 pounds of the beef. Let's add a little bit raining. This is the suite I usually come when I'm off or it's a holiday. This is the kitchen. I have microwave, I have a dishwasher, I have a whole stove, I have a baking. This is the one we're gonna be using today. Let me show you the best part about it. Of course, the King Suite, right? Look at the view. This view, you're gonna love it. Wonderful. So let's get back in our kitchen, and we have at least 2.5 pounds of beef chops, some rice and beans. We're gonna be baking this. These are the beef chops, or you can call it T-bone steak. I have fresh green onion for this recipe. I have organic green chilies right here. Fresh cloves of garlic. We'll be using some crushed pepper, black pepper, some salt, and some canola oil right here. Rice with beans and beef chops, onion garlic beef chops on top of it. Take this meat. These are big pieces. 3 pounds of the meat right here. Fat, thick T-bone steaks. First thing I'm chopping for this marinade, the green onions. So I have 3 pounds of the meat, beef chops, 4 green onions. Just dice it a little bit, so it get easy for our blender juicer. This is how I do it, make this recipe. This is the garlic. We will take at least 8 to 10 cloves of garlic. We will take 1 baking cup of oil, canola oil, and just add that straight in here. For the meat, this is the meat. This is crushed red chilies. These are not spicy. This is 1 tablespoon ground black pepper, same thing, and we will take 2 teaspoons of the salt. And this is smoky paprika. Just 1 tablespoon is enough. Let's blend this now. Alright, this is the smoothie. It goes all on top. Everything. I'm really missing gloves. Massage this everything on top of your beef chops. So this is how it's gonna look. Give at least 30 minutes. It's been 30 minutes. This is our fresh baked marinade. It's ready for our beef chops. This is spicy beef chop. Baking rag. I carry this everywhere. Even in my every vacation, I should have a baking rag. Put it in the foil. It's gonna be cooking moistly. It's gonna be cooking in their juices, and it's gonna be wonderful. Final dip and add it right here. Make sure you're not stacking these guys on top of each other, and the meat piece in the center. Looking good. 5 beautiful pieces are in here. Extra marinade. Grab it, and you can use a spoon if you want, but here I am. Look at this marinade. It's all gonna get cooked in there. Oh, looking yum. I can cook these chops in a hotel. You can cook it too. We covered the sides. I grabbed my foil pot, put it in the center, and just cover it. Let's turn on our bake section. We'll put it bake. We need 400 temperature. It's on the pre. It's gonna take couple minutes. Our oven is ready. Let's put these beautiful beef chops, which we marinated, in here. Watch the time. It's 5:52. At 6:52, we will take a look. We will open these guys And in the meantime, you know what we have to do? I'll cook rice with the beans. Here's the pot. Add oil, 8 tablespoons of oil, 8 of the green onions, and we will add all of this right here. The green will be our toppings at the end of the video. Let's stir fry this at least for 5 minutes. This is the crab boat right there. You see the green light? This is the crab boat. It's trying to catch the crabs. People are walking on this boardwalk. This is Ocean City, Maryland. Within 5 minutes, I'm using canned red kidney beans. Let's add those guys. We will add 2 teaspoons of salt in here. Just for the flavor kick, this is optional. If you don't like spicy bean rice, don't do it. I'm adding at least 6 organic green chilies in here. Here at this point, just 2 minutes, stir fry everything. These are the rice, basmati rice. We will take at least 2 baking cups of basmati rice. Rice, beans, green onion, salt, and the chili. 2 cups of baking cups of water. If you want to see if there is salt, whoa! From the start, it's gone on the low or simmer. Chops are still cooking up. It's been 15 minutes. Let's take a sneak peek on our basmati rice with the beans. So as you guys see, the stove is on to simmer and low, and the water has gone. This is the time, give it a mix. So here it is, just adding 1 cup of water on top. After mix up everything, put your stove onto low. Eyeball this recipe at least for another 15 minutes. It's been 30 minutes of the rice. They were on the low. After adding the 3rd cup of the water, we still have water at the base. We are just giving it a stir, mix. For our bake, we still have 15 minutes. Keep it on 15 minutes. I just matched the time of the rice and the beef chops all together. You know, that's why I have been cooking this on a low flame. 6:52 an hour. Let's open our beef chops. OMG. This is it. This is how it's gonna look. If you're into medium rare steak, this is what it is. Let me cut it. This is the meat. I can consume it. This is oven baked medium rare beef chops. Woo! I want my steak to be medium well, so for that I'll grab it. Let me put it here, and for 30 minutes let's cook this guy, you know. Extra 30 minutes are in. They're perfectly done. This guy, put it right here, and these are the rice, beans and onions combo. Beef chops with rice and beans combo is fully ready. On here, this is the moment of truth. You can make this recipe at hotel room. First bite of this beef chops. Subscribe to the channel, like this video, share this recipe with your friends and family so they can make this easy, simple, deliciously baked beef chops in oven. I've made some garlic liquid sauce in here, and here is it.